I'm Stephen from Noel Leeming Tech Solutions, and today I have the great pleasure of going through an unboxing on the brand new Amazon Echo. And here it is. Now this is straight off the boat, as they say, releasing in New Zealand and Australia on the 1st of February 2018. This is going to be a game changer. It's going to open up Kiwis to how they better interact with their products around the home and use their voice, yes, their voice, to control some cool things. Let's get into it and see what it does. So on the side here we get to see some really cool skills that are inside here. So we get Kiwi things. This amazes me. Things like News Talk ZB printed on the box of this unit, which is really cool. A couple of other call outs that we've got. We've got Spotify. We can see that there's some Seek integration if you happen to be looking for a new job. And we've even got things like Sky TV. So pretty cool all in all. On the front we've got the picture of the unit itself and a couple of different sayings or phrases that you could ask it. It talks about it's a far field voice control. Not a lot on the other side. It does talk about it's got the Alexa voice service, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then on the back it just does the normal blurb telling us a little bit about the product. Now I will say what is really good is it's got an easy open box, so no knives, no equipment's needed at all. So we're just going to grab this and we will tear it open. Exciting stuff. Nice and simple. Let's drop it down here. Amazon's all about the way that they do their branding. So you see they've even got their smile icon embossed in gloss on the flap of the box itself, which is pretty funny. Pulling out the unit itself. Okay, that's some pretty neat packaging. We can see we've got the actual Echo itself inside here. It's got a cardboard sleeve surrounding it, so we will see what we can do to get this baby out. I'm going to have to just slide it out from the side. So there's our actual Echo speaker itself. On the bottom here we have our power cord. We've got an Echo getting started kit, and oh, this is neat. It actually gives us a little card with some things to try. So we might have to, once we've got it set up, we might actually have to give this a go and see what we can get it to do for us here in New Zealand. Now let's have a look at this baby. So it's actually completely sealed. We've got plastic on all sides of it. So I'm just going to undo the bottom part. Pull that one off. So straight off the bat I can tell you it feels quite weighty in the hand. Now I wouldn't say it's heavy, it just has a good solid feel to what it does. It's a textured finish, so it does feel very much just like the fabric that you'd get on a heavy backpack or something like that. Then on the top here I can see it's got like a clear ring around the outside. Now what I do know about the Amazon Echo product is this is going to change colours and show us things when you're interacting with the product. So when we get into testing it a little bit later on, we'll see what that does. We've got 4 buttons along the top. So we've got a volume up and a volume down. We've got a mute button, and then we've actually got the power button itself. We're going to get looking at setting this all up, and we'll come back with a couple of cool features that we can try and test on it. Right, so that's our setup done. Now just before we get to play with this cool new device, I wanted to let you know that there's actually 3 versions of the Amazon Echo that's going to be available in New Zealand. We've got the Amazon Dot. Now the Amazon Dot's it's the same diameter as the Amazon Echo, but from a size perspective, I'll grab this mouse for reference, it's probably only about the same height as the mouse that we've got here. So it's a much smaller device. This one's probably designed to be in remote rooms because there's a cool feature that you can do with the Amazon Echo that's called drop-in, which allows you to communicate with other devices in the network. The third device that's available is actually called the Amazon Plus. Now the Amazon Plus again is the same diameter as this one, but it's a little bit taller. It's probably about yay tall, and that one's got built within it the actual home control system. So the Amazon Plus will allow you to control more devices in the home and actually interact with them in different ways. Now there's a couple of different color options available in them. The Dot is going to be available in a black and a white. The actual Echo itself is available in this charcoaly color. It's then also available in like a sandstone gray color and then a heather gray. So you've got two kind of grey colors as well as the blacker one inside here. And then at this stage, the Amazon Plus is only available in the black here in New Zealand and Australia. Right, so what we're going to do now, I'll move my mouse out of the way, is we're going to start working with the Echo. Now, the Echo is all run by a particular smart, intuitive system called Alexa. Now, whenever you say the word Alexa, it's going to start to pick up on your conversations, and you literally just talk to it. So you can say, Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's a dog's favourite instrument? A trombone.
And then it also allows you to interact with it. So we can see it's a beautiful looking speaker and it will play songs. Alexa, play Royals by Lorde.
Royals by Lorde from Spotify.
The diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on a wedding ring.
Alexa, pause. So you can listen to a song, you can get it to pause halfway through, you can get it to restart a song or stop. Really neat, and it's got a nice boomy echo sound to it. So it's not a tinny little speaker, it actually has a good amount of sound and volume for it. Now, one of the best features on them when you get into the Plus model is that you actually get to have that one enable you to communicate with different things in your home. So you can get it to turn lights on and off, activate security systems, and plenty of other things. One of the really neat features is you can actually get Alexa to help you when it comes to something like shopping. You can say, Alexa, add sugar to my shopping list.
I've added sugar to your shopping list.
So it then adds it, and it will be available through your mobile device in the Alexa app, and you can actually see what other products you've put in there. So keep an eye out for these in stores. They are available as of the 1st of February 2018. Really cool product, and there's going to be more and more New Zealand based interactions available from them. Thanks very much.